what's up and welcome back. So I know it's been a minute, but I'm super happy to be back. We just got back from vacation at Panama City Beach. It was our first ever beach vacation, and let me tell you guys, it was absolutely amazing. I am happy to be home, but every day was a new adventure, and like sometimes I would be so homesick, and then we would go do something and I was like, oh my gosh, I could live here. It was completely insane. But I'm so happy to be back, and when I got back I actually had a little package from Influencer. So if you've never heard of Influencer, they are a company that does reviews, and like they send you products to review. So the more stuff that you review, all you do is download an app, you review products that you use regularly or products that you used and didn't like. Just be honest. Talk about all of your favorite things, like find a piece of makeup or electronics. They have every category in the world. So if you are like me and you're into makeup, this time they did the Clinique box. So that's what I have got right here in my hand. This is a box that has the Clinique Jelly in it. So we are going to be opening this up and I'm going to review it right here with you guys. And I was absolutely not paid to do this. This product was sent to me absolutely free. I'm just giving my honest opinion on it, and that's all there is to it. Okay, so this is the little card that comes with it. It says Clinique, introducing Clinique's new dramatically different hydrating jelly. It says it makes skin 87% less vulnerable to skin damaging pollution for healthy, pure skin and clean glow. It says introducing new dramatically different hydrating jelly, a 100% transparent, lightweight, oil-free water jelly that hydrates, repairs skin's moisture barrier, and protects your skin from pollution daily thanks to its Clean Shield technology. It repairs skin's barrier to help lock in the good light moisture and filters out the bad light pollution. Day after day, your skin's condition is improved to reveal all the signs of healthy skin with a new clean glow. Skin is left feeling rehydrated, pure, fresh, and smooth. Its fast absorbing, non-sticky formula works well alone or under makeup. So we are going to put that to the test today too. So this is what the little guy came in. This has 0.5 fluid ounces. And let's just see. It says it works for all skin types. So I'm going to scoot in a little bit so you guys can see and so I can see, because I don't have my mirror in front of me. And this doesn't say how much to use, I don't think. So I'm just going to use a little bit, like that much. And I'm just going to start placing this all over the skin. It doesn't really have a super strong scent, but it does have a little bit of a scent. And you can see on my face I do have some sun damage, so my skin is not in the best condition of its life. But what is? It does feel really nice. It kind of feels, I don't know, feels like really thin gel. I can understand where they say water weight. Like it doesn't feel sticky. My face doesn't feel sticky. I can't even, like, it's not shiny or anything. Like, I don't even see anything, but it feels good. Like, my skin feels nice. It feels hydrated. And I think you can apply this twice a day. Like, you can apply it when you're putting your makeup on, and then you can apply it again before bed. I'm pretty sure that that's what the email said. You guys can see I do have some deeper wrinkles on my forehead. I hate them, but it is what it is. So that hopefully the hydration will help keep those at bay a little bit today, because it seems like as the day goes on and my skin gets a little bit more dry, that's when they really start to come out to show themselves. So hopefully this stuff will assist with that. Now that it has completely dried, I don't feel anything. Like, it doesn't feel like there's anything there. My skin does feel, you know, hydrated. Like, it doesn't feel dry. And that's something else. Like, I do have dry patches. Like, this is super dry right here. Around my nose stays dry a whole lot, so hopefully this will help with that too. I almost want to put more on because it felt really nice going on, but I'm not going to do that because we're going to do makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my makeup on. I'll probably just, random fun fact, I ended up doing my makeup. My phone died because that's what I've been filming on lately. I do have a camera. It's this one right here, but I cannot figure out how to make it stop focusing so much. Like, it makes a very loud noise when it focuses, and it drives me crazy when I'm editing, so I know it has to drive you guys crazy too. If not, let me know and I will continue to use it, but typically I only use this when I feel like doing a voiceover or something. Otherwise I just go insane. Bottom line, the makeup applied on top of the moisturizer very, very well. Stayed on all day long, completely stayed put on my face. I just took my makeup all back off and went ahead and reapplied it. So overall, I've got to say this is actually a really good product. I'm going to use it a little bit longer to see if that changes, but I don't feel like it will. It's Clinique. They're known pretty well for their skincare, so I have to give them props where it's due. I definitely did enjoy this product. I've still got a lot of usage to go out of this, and my skin, like I said, I just applied it. It feels super soft and moisturized. It's very hydrated, not sticky, so I don't feel gross going to bed. I don't feel like I'm going to ruin my pillows or anything. And yeah, I give it 2 thumbs up. So if you guys have not picked this up yet, I'm not sure when it comes out. It should come out very, very soon, but I do recommend picking it up. And yeah, I really hope that this helped you guys out today. Thank you so much as always for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I will catch you in the next one.